Cannes Boat Show has been a fantastic event for us this year. We've met more clients than we were ever hoped to. New faces as well as familiar. We've had a great lineup down here in Cannes this year. The F58, which is behind us. We launched that in Dusseldorf this year, and it's really nice to show it in the sunshine. We've launched the V65, which again, because we're in Cannes, we can have that sunroof all the way open and really show what it's like to have an open 65-foot boat, because that's what it feels like. And then we showed the Y95, and it had a 6-cabin layout. And I don't think we showed it to anybody who didn't absolutely love that style. We've announced the C48. It is just the perfect place to announce it in its natural environment. This is where you want to have that boat running around. We've also unveiled our new F54, which has been very exciting. It's been a great Cannes boat show. It's just a great start to what we hope is going to be a fabulous boat show season. And we're just now looking forward to going back and building the boats we've sold and continue doing what we do, which is building the best boats out there.